Good morning, students. Today we discuss about DNA modifications, DNA damage, and DNA repair. First, we discuss about modification and DNA restrictions. DNA replication apparatus, other enzyme systems, methylase are found in cells that may modify DNA through methylation of adenine or cytosine in a very specific manner. There are also restriction enzymes in a cell that can distinguish between its own DNA and any foreign invading DNA so that the foreign DNA is attacked and degraded. These enzymes fall in two general classes. First, type second enzymes have separate enzymes for methylase and restriction activities. The target sites for type second restriction enzymes like E. coli first, a dimer, and palindromes of 4 to 6 base pair. Most of these enzymes cleave DNA at an unmethylated site. Some of them create staggered cuts while others create blunt ends. A methylase adds only one methyl group at a time and dissociates another round of binding end. Methylation is needed for addition of another methyl group. Some of these restriction enzymes are extensively used in recombinant DNA technology. Second, type first and type third enzyme. They are bifunctional, having both methylase and restriction activities. A type 1 enzyme has three subunits R, M, and S. R for restriction, M for methylation, S for specific target sites. But type 3 has only two subunits. The properties of three types of enzymes are summarized in table 31. DNA damage and repair. In eukaryotic cells, DNA damage is caused rather frequently. There are repair enzyme systems to deal with the DNA damage. The enzyme changes in DNA leading to damage are broadly divided into two general classes. Single base changes may be caused by conversion of one base to another. These are corrected through DNA replication leading to changes in DNA sequences. Structural distortions may result from a single strand nick, removal of a base, or introduction of a covalent link between bases of same or different strands. A cell may have several systems to deal with DNA damage. These systems include the following: direct repair involves direct repair First, second is excision repair, and third is mismatch repair. Direct repair, it involves a reversal of the damage, for instance, photo reactivation of pyrimidine dimer. Involves reversal of covalent bond, giving the original structure. Second is excision repair. It involves recognition of damage bases followed by excision of a sequence including damaged bases. This is achieved by an endonuclease or an exonuclease. Next is mismatch repair. It involves in correction of mismatches or pairing between bases either during replication or due to base conversion, and are corrected by a process described here as error correction during DNA replication. Error correction involves a process that distinguishes between new and old strands. Direct repair systems. As mentioned above, direct repair involves reversal of DNA damage. In other words, abnormal chemical bonds between bases or between a nucleotide and an abnormal substituent are broken down, thus restoring the original DNA structure. The enzymes currently known to catalyze the DNA repair. It includes following: first, DNA photolase repairs cyclobutane pyrimidine dimers induced by UV. The enzyme splits the cytochrome ring only on activation by light. This enzyme is found in several bacteria like E. coli and some mammals, but is absent in bacteria like Bacillus subtilis and in placental mammals. Second is 6-4 photoproduct photolase. Deals with the DNA damage involving the formation of 6-4 photoproduct due to UV. This enzyme is absent in both E. coli and humans, but is present in other organisms. The 6-4 photoproduct is formed firstly due to C4-C6 bonds formation between adjacent pyrimidanes, and secondly due to migration of substituent available at C4 position of one pyrimidine to the 6-6 position of adjoining pyrimidanes. The enzyme reverses both these anomalies and restore the normal bases again and again. And the last is spore photoproduct lyase. Spore photoproduct lyase repairs the lesions caused by UV in Bacillus subtilis spores, where a spore photoproduct is produced instead of cyclobutane dimers on UV irradiation. And last is O6 methylguanine DNA methyltransferase is a common enzyme found in all species tested. The enzyme transferred the methyl group, so it is called methylguanine DNA methyltransferase. That's it. Thank you, students.